you want to understand what it takes to be successful on YouTube? If you do, you've come to the right place. You've come to the only place. I'm Superman, your superhero on Udemy. And in this course, the complete YouTube course, how to be the star of your own videos, I am going to share with you the best of everything that I've learned being on YouTube for a couple of years. You are going to see that the key to success on YouTube is starting with a bang. This kind of bang. The bang that I experienced on my own channel. A bang that I managed to create with a formula you will only learn in this course. If you look down at the traffic I've been able to achieve on my videos, you will see this is no accident. I have been able to replicate this over 4 videos and it has translated into 8,000 subscribers over just a couple of weeks. That big bang happened with PewDiePie. That big bang also happened with Tai Lopez. And it can happen with you today. If you take this course, you are going to learn the exact formula that enables you to create a viral video that will enable you to get subscribers from it, plenty of views, and make a load of money from those views. You are also going to learn the magic of YouTube ads and how YouTube ads is really the key to everything about getting a viral video on YouTube. You will see how I spend only 0.01 of a dollar per video view, and I have spent so much money on ads, yet if you look at all of my campaigns, you will see that I never spend much more than $20 on a campaign. But really, this course is about you. How can you be the star of your own videos? Just like PewDiePie, just like Jenna Marbles, if you want to learn how you can be the central focus of your videos, make viral videos that get people reacting, that get people feeling emotions when they watch you, this is the course that's going to show you exactly how you do that. You are going to go from beginner to advanced in how you rank your videos, how you edit videos like a pro so people get to see truly amazing content by you. This course contains 93 lectures and 8 hours of HD video content where I walk through the process with you. I hold your hand. You can copy and paste my methods directly through the fact that you are seeing me showing you. So all you need to do to start benefiting from this course is just click Take This Course. And who knows, maybe you could be this person that is making a fortune on YouTube as a personality in the very near future. I'll see you in the first of many amazing lectures.